Welcome and come on into the kitchen. I'm still cleaning out the pantry, and today I have puff pastry and apple pie filling, so I'm going to make hand pies in the air fryer. On a lightly floured surface, you're going to take out your store-bought pastry. I use the Pepperidge Farm puff pastry sheets. Cut on the score marks of the pastry, and that will give you 3 long rectangles. Then turn and cut that crosswise, and you'll wind up with 6 pieces of dough. Then take 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water and whisk them together to make an egg wash. Then take your egg wash and paint all along the edges of the pastry rectangles. This will help seal in our filling. Now get your apple filling and put about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons in the center of each rectangle. Now I wanted to sweeten my canned apple pie filling, so I sprinkled a little extra cinnamon sugar in the mix. Then you're going to put the second half of the pastry on top of your fruit filling. As you can see, I got a little too much flour on the backs of my pastries, but you can just brush it off. Then you're going to seal it with the tines of a fork that has been dipped in flour. Now go ahead and press gently on each side. This will help seal the contents and it makes it prettier. Now brush the top with more of the egg wash, and let's also try something a little decorative. Take the tip of a sharp, non-serrated knife and cut a few slits in the top of the apple mound. This will let steam escape while cooking. And then with a spatula that has also been dipped in flour, gently place in a sprayed air fryer basket. Bake for 7 minutes at 400 degrees. When they come out, set them to the side and let them cool slightly. While they're cooling, in a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of heavy cream. You'll have to eyeball this until you get a runny consistency. Now take a fork and give your pastries a nice drizzle. Just a zigzag, haphazard motion is fine. Now just sit back and watch everybody ooh and ah. They are so delicious, decadent even. With a light, flaky pastry, mixed with these warm cinnamon apples, and of course the gooey glaze on top, what could be better? Now I'm going to make a cup of coffee, grab one of these pastries, and out the door I go. Talk to y'all next time.